Okay, so we will go for the past continuous tense. So again, we will go for the definition of past continuous, and then we will go for the structure. Past continuous tense, it shows an action which was happening at the specific moment in the past. It shows an action which was taking place at a specific moment in the past. So both the definition have exactly the same meaning. Whenever you are talking about an action which was taking place, which was going on, which was happening, which was continued at the specific moment in the past, so for that we are using past continuous tense. You can observe that yesterday at the same time, mean at 10 o'clock, my action was continuing. What I was teaching, I was teaching Kansas City people, or I was taking my class. So what here, I was taking my class yesterday at 10 o'clock. So yesterday morning or yesterday at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, my action was continuing. It was going on, it was happening. So what mean my action was continuing at the specific moment at the particular time in the past. Likewise, at the same time, your action was also continuing. You were learning tenses, or you were taking your class too. Likewise, I was teaching and you were learning, I was speaking, you were listening. At the same time, both of us had the same action. Our action was continuing. Likewise, I'm talking about last night. Last night, exactly at 8 o'clock, what I was doing last night at 8 o'clock, exactly one of my action was continue. What? I was watching TV. So what then at 11 o'clock, one of my another action was continue. I was preparing my lecture. So at 11 o'clock. So at 11 o'clock, one of my action was continued. Likewise, last Sunday in the morning, I was playing cricket. So I was playing cricket last Sunday at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock last Sunday, my action was continued. So for that, I'm using past continuous tense. Likewise, at 12 o'clock last Sunday, I was attending a marriage party. So at particular time, which is 12 o'clock last Sunday, and one of my action was continued, it was going on, I was attending a marriage party. So whenever you are talking about an action which was continued at the specific moment in particular time in the past, so for that we are using past continuous tense. Like we have, Ali was watching TV last night. So last night the action of Ali was continued, it was going on, it was in progress. Like they were dancing at the party. So what at the same time mean at the party, specific movement is there. At the party the action was going on, they were dancing. I was taking my class when you called me. So when you called me yesterday at that specific moment, my action was continuing, my action was going on. So whenever you are talking about an action which was continuing, which was happening, which was going on at the particular time, at a specific moment in the past, so for that we are using past continuous tense. Then we go for the structure of past continuous tense. The structure of continuous tenses are also exactly the same. Like we have affirmative structure. So the affirmative structure of present continuous and past continuous are also same. Only the be verbs are changing. In the present continuous tense, we use present be or is, am, are. In the past continuous tense, we use past be, which are, was, and were. Like we have the rest of the same structure. Subject plus be plus first form verb with ing plus complement. So like we say, Ali was singing a song. If you are going to say present, so Ali is singing a song. Only be is changing, the rest of the structure is the same. Present continuous and past continuous. Negative structure, you have the same procedure, subject after subject be, and after be you will insert, you will add not. After not, again you will use first form verb with ing, and then you will add complement. Like Ali was not singing a song. If you are going to change it to interrogative, and interrogative also you will bring be, mean helping verb, to the start of the sentence, and subject will go back. Like we say be first, subject later. Then we have first form verb with ing and plus complement plus sign of interrogation. So was Ali singing a song? Short affirmative answer is he was, and short negative answer, no, he wasn't. If you are going to change it to negative interrogative formal, so in negative interrogative formal, again, you will also bring be to the start of a negative structure. It will become a negative interrogative then, like be plus subject plus not plus first form verb with ing plus complement. So was Ali not singing a song? Short affirmative answer, yes, he was, and short negative answer, no, he wasn't. Negative interrogative informal, and negative interrogative informal, you will also bring not along be of the negative sentence, so it will become negative interrogative. Then we have subject, then we have first form verb with ing plus complement plus sign of interrogation. So wasn't Ali singing a song? Short affirmative answer is he was, and short negative answer, no, he wasn't. Where to use was, where to use were. So with the singular name, like with the singular name, he, she, it, you will use was. With I, you, we, they, and plural name, you will use were. Like he was reading a book, she was reading a book, it was watching TV. Sorry, it was flying high, I was reading a book. If you, so you were reading book, they were reading book, we were reading book, and plural name Ali and Ahmad were reading book. So with the singular name he, she, it, you will use was. With I, you, we, they, and plural name you will use were. Is it clear? Was not short form is wasn't.